Fourth, avoid exceeding performance specifications. All heavy equipment comes with a set of specific performance limitations such as maximum load capacity, a predefined range of operating pressure and temperature, and other limits. Make sure to check the operator's manual to study the performance limitations of your equipment thoroughly. Exceeding the performance specifications and limitations will lead to increased wear and tear, along with reduced longevity. Unfortunately, exceeding the performance specifications can sometimes compromise the efficiency of the equipment, resulting in accidents. Workplace injuries can cost your business dearly. According to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, the OSHA, employers often pay almost $1 billion per week for different workers' compensation costs alone.